My name is Carrie Devon. So here I will explain about the function and application of the socket stop valve. So I will explain the part of the stop valve first, and then I will explain the function and application of this part. So here is actuator. This is bonnet. This is the body of the stop valve, and then inside the bonnet is steam. This is steam. This is this, and this is seat. Of course, the last is the seal ring. Okay, I will put it back. Then I will explain the function of the stop valve. Okay. So I will explain. The first is actuator. The actuator operates the steam and disassembly. An actuator is supported by the bonnet in the other design. A yoke mounted to the bonnet support the actuator. Okay, and then I will explain the bonnet. This is bonnet. The bonnet is the second principal pressure boundary of valve. It is cast or forged of the same material as the body and connected to the body by the threaded, bolted, or welded joint. Okay, and then inside the bonnet, I will explain the steam. This is steam. The steam, which is connect the actuator. This is actuator, and this by threaded or welded joint. The connection of this to the steam can allow some rocking or rotation or to ease the positioning of the disc on the seat. So here, okay, and then we'll explain the disc. This is disc. The disc is a pressure returning part. These are typically forged and inside design hard surface to provide good wear characteristic. Okay, and this is seat. The seat and seal ring provide the seating surface for the disc. A fine surface finish the seating area is necessary for good sealing and the valve is closed. When the valve is closed, okay. And then the last is the body. Valve bodies are cast or forged into a variety of shape. Although a sphere or cylinder would theoretically be the most economical shape to resist fluid pressure when a valve is open. So right now I will show how to put this item, this part back to normal. So first of all, I will put the steam inside the bonnet, and then I will put it back the actuator to the steam, inside the steam, and then I put the full part of the actuator, and then I will, okay, so this is last step, and this is the stop valve. So thank you.